my channel, welcome. I'm Mad Chen and I'm a digital illustrator. I create Procreate tutorials for beginners. For today's Procreate tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use clipping mask in Procreate. So we need to come up here to layers and open up a new layer with this plus icon here. Then click on this blank area here. This will open up a list and we're going to choose clipping mask. So now when we look at the left side of the blank space, we can see a tiny arrow pointing down towards the yellow circle. The arrow means that this layer is respecting the boundaries of the yellow circle. So I'm going to demonstrate what happens when we paint within this layer. I'm just going to do some rough shading at the bottom here. So if we come back to layers, you can see that the clipping mask layer contains the shading and the yellow circle underneath remains the same. And when I toggle off the clipping mask layer, you can see that the shading disappears. Then just toggle it on again to bring it back. We're going to open up a new layer above the shading, and I'm going to click on this blank space again and choose clipping mask. Then I'm going to use white to roughly paint on a highlight. Now let's go back to layers to check our elements. We can see that the highlight, the shading, and the yellow circle are separated. Clipping mask is useful for when you want to quickly add or remove elements from your projects. Thanks for watching, guys. Please support this channel by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to Mad Chen. If you have any questions, comments, or problems with Procreate, please leave comments down below because I want to be supportive and help you guys get better at using Procreate and also get better at your artwork. You can also check out my other Procreate tutorials, which I will leave links up above and also in the description below. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next Procreate tutorial.